Hi everyone, this is going to be my next project. This is called Stepladder. It's a free pattern from Jordan Fabrics. And Donna Jordan made it in Americana fabric, but being Canadian, that's not my thing, although it looks pretty cute. I will link the video of how to do it after I do this video. All these middle strips are all these ones here. This is a Bally Pop, I think it's called Bahamas is the fabric line. So those are the ones I'm going to use in the middle. That's all in order. This blue one here is on the top. Like that right there. The end ones, these creamy ones she's got here, are all these pinks. There's different short ones. And then the little accents where she has the dark blue is this purple. There's sort of this with the flowers on it. And that one. And all the rest of this are going to be for a scrappy sort of border. Most likely. I'll show you when I'm done. There's an inner border on it, which will be this one. And this will be an outer border, this dark purple. I just need to find a good backing. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I'm sure there's something from the line or similar to. Huffman's got lots of good colors. These are just all the extra ones I'm likely not even going to use for anything. They'll just be extra strips. I don't know. Make something out of it eventually. So, there you go. I'll do another video when I have something assembled. Are they pretty colors? All nice tropical. I believe the color, is that a thing is called? I think I said the Bahamas. Anyways, that's what they'll look like. I really like this pink. It's nice and bright. So there we go. Bye for now.